Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from our weekly spot. We are at CVS and we are about to get into the deals for this week. So this week's ad is a little bit different. Y'all, I was looking at this ad up and down, back and forth, trying to put some deals together for today. And I was like, okay, this is going to be a double visit week because we have a set of deals that are good starting today. And then we also have our Black Friday deals. So we're definitely going to be doing two videos this week. But in this video, we do have quite a few good things to get stocked up on. So the first thing we are going to do is a money maker on the Hallmark. So if your store has some Hallmark cards that are 99 cents, you can easily turn this deal into a money maker. My store only has $2 cards. They have $2 Christmas cards, and they have some more $2 cards over here that we could grab as well. I have about $5 worth of CRTs on my card. So I have a $2 off of 3 and then a $3 off of 4. So I'm going to start out by picking up 3 of these cards. These are going to be $2 a piece, and this will meet our requirement so that we can get back our $3 extra buck. And then we have $5 in CRTs. But I'm going to need to grab another Hallmark item so that I can use that second CRT, which requires me to pick up 4. So for my fourth item, ideally I would want to pick up one of those cheap bags as a filler item, but my store does not carry those. So I'm going to pick up one of these bows right here. These are $1.29. So these are my 4 Hallmark items. This totals up to $7.29. I am going to use my $5 in CRTs, and that will leave me to pay $2.29 at the register. Then I am going to get back a $3 extra buck, making these 4 items not only free, but a 70-cent moneymaker. Now, if you have higher value Hallmark CRTs than me, like let's say you have 2 of the $3 off of 2, this can be a much bigger money maker for you. But I just want to show you an example of how you can make it work if your CRTs are a little bit odd like mine. And ideally, in order to get back that extra care buck on this deal, you do need to pick up cards. So if I had picked up like 4 of the bows instead, I know that would have been cheaper and a bigger money maker, but I probably would not get back the $3 extra buck. So that is why I have structured that deal the way that I did. Next deal on my list is the Kotex. So these are buy one, get one 50% off this week. And then when you buy 2, you are going to get back a $2 extra buck. This is an easy deal that anyone can do with no coupons required. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these liners right here. These are $179 and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them are going to total me up to $268. So at the register, I am going to pay that $2.68 with no coupons required. Then I am going to get back a $2 extra buck, making it just 68 cents for 2. But then I'm also going to submit back 2 fetch rewards for 1,500 points. This offer may vary by account, so you may or may not have it, but that's going to equal up to $1.50. So that's going to make these 2 babies not only free, but a moneymaker. One deal I'm not going to do, but it's not a bad deal if you do need mouth rinse, is this Colgate Spend 10, Get Back 5. So what you could do is you could pick up one of these mouth rinse for $5.49, and then also pick up one of these Swish Colgate mouth rinses for $6.59. This would total you up to $12.08. And if you have a 2 off of 12 mouthwash CRT, add that into the mix. Then you could also use that $4 off of 2 digital coupon. That would leave you to pay $6.08 and then get back a $5 extra buck, making both of these just $1.08 or like 54 cents each. If you have paper coupons for these items, which I think that we do, that one of them would probably double dip with that 4 off of 2 digital, making this even cheaper. Next deal on my list is the Eucerin Spend 20 Get 10. So you want to be careful with this deal and make sure that the items that you pick up are actually included, because this time around, it is mostly facial care and baby items are included. I have a 4 off of 20 facial care CRT that I want to use. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these facial care products. I'm going to get this eczema relief cream right here, and then I'm going to get this daily protection lotion. So these 2 items total me up to $21.48. I'm going to use that 4 off of 20 CRT, and I'm going to use 2 of the $3.50 printable coupons. After those coupons, I'm going to have $11 in savings. I'm going to pay just $10.48 at the register, but then I'm going to get back a $10 extra buck, and these 2 babies will track for my Epic Beauty rewards. So these will be free plus a moneymaker after the Epic Beauty. So my store has these 24 count gold emblem K-cups on sale for just $2.75. And I had a couple different CRTs on my account. I had a 3 off of 8, and then also I had a like buy one for $8.99 CRT. I picked up 3 of these because I wanted to see how those coupons were going to play together. I just wanted to test this out real quick. So there is the 3 packs of these, and the expiration dates are pretty good on these. So there's the 3 packs of those, and then that 3 off of 8 CRT did come off, but that $8.99 CRT did not apply. So I used a $3 extra buck and just paid $2.25 on a Blues gift card for 3 packs of these, which is not bad for all of that coffee. So I got a total of 3 of them in that transaction. The next thing we're going to test is a double dip on the Tresemme. So you can pick up the 20 ounce or the 28 ounce this week. And we do have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon that I do have loaded to my account. I'm going to be using this $5 off of 2 paper coupon that did expire on 11/20, and that should take off $5, and that $4 off of 2 may double dip and come off as well. So that'll leave us to pay $1 and then get back 2, making 2 bottles a $1 moneymaker. All right, you guys, now let's get into the spend 30, get 10. We are about to pick up our household items. So we're going to start off by picking up 2 of the Tide Pods. These are $4.94, and we're going to be using $2 coupons. Then I'm also going to pick up 2 of the Tide Liquid. I'm going to pick up 2 of these 32 loads down here. We're going to get the bigger bottles that are 50 ounces. So these are $5.94. We also have $2 coupons on these. And then to complete my deal, I'm going to pick up an $8.99 paper product. So you can either grab the Scott toilet paper that's $8.99. We do not have any coupons on this. Or you can grab the Viva paper towels. These are $8.99 as well. All right, you guys, so this is my complete spend 30 deal. This totals up to $30.75. So we have 2 of the Tide Liquid. You can use the $2 Tide Digital on one, and then use 1 of the $2 Tide paper coupons on the second one. No coupon for the Scott. Use the $2 Tide paper coupon for 1 bag, $2 Tide Digital for the second one, and we also have printables if you do not have the insert version. You can print off 1 of each. So after those coupons, that would bring us down to $22.75. Then we would get back a $10 extra buck, making it just $12.25 for all of these items. With the regular price of the toilet paper alone being $12.49 here, that is a fantastic deal. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a 7 off of 35 CRT to bring this down even cheaper. Something else I am going to test out while I'm here is if these new Tide coupons that we have in the December PNG are going to glitch with the digitals that we have. So in the December PNG, we are getting a $3 off of 2 Tide coupon. See if I can get that to focus. A $3 off of 2 instead of a $2 off of 1. I already have these available. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use 2 of the $3 off of 2. I'm going to use a $3 off of 2 here, and I'm going to use a $3 off of 2 for the Tide Pods as well. And I'm going to see if those $2 digitals still come off. If so, I will get an extra $2 off on this deal, making it only $20.75 and then getting back 10. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go go up and check out with my first transaction. I'm going to do this spend 30 deal with the Scott and the Tide. I am going to be doing the Eucerin, the Kotex, the Tresemme, and we're going to grab the Hallmark deal. I'm going to be using about $30 in extra bucks, and then I'm going to be using these 5 paper coupons. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how this deal works.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
All right, you guys, so that worked out pretty good. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. I only had one hiccup, and that was on the Eucerin. So there's the Tresemme, there's the Scott, there's the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods, there is the Kotex products, there is the Hallmark, and then there is the Eucerin. So on the Eucerin, I had that eczema cream, and I also had the daily facial lotion. The coupon, the $3.50 coupon, did beep on the eczema cream, so I had to swap out real quick at the register for 2 of the daily protection lotions instead, and then everything else scanned successfully. There's the 2 $3 off for the Tide, the $5 off for the Tresemme, and then the 2 $3.50 off for the Eucerin. There is the Tresemme digital coupon that did double dip. The 2 Tide coupons did double dip with the December P&G coupons, so I got an extra $2 off there. There is my 7 off of 35, my 4 off of 20 for the facial, and then my 2 Hallmark CRTs. I added in an extra $2 in extra bucks, so I used $32 in extra bucks in this deal. One of them was reduced down to $1.70 because of the Eucerin, and then that brought my subtotal down to 0. So I paid 0, just taxes only, on a Blues gift card, and then I did get back a total of $27 in extra bucks today. So I got back 10 for the spend 30, 10 for the Eucerin, I got back 2 for the Tresemme, 2 for the Hallmark, 2 for the Kotex, and I also submitted back for $1.80 on Fetch Rewards. And because the Epic Beauty Rewards are tracking right now, I will also get back $3 in beauty for this deal from the Eucerin and the Tresemme. So after spending out $32 in extra bucks, really $31.70, I am getting back $32 in all of these products, including Scott and 4 Tides, completely free. Now I want to stop and announce the winner for my $100 Blues gift card giveaway. So I'm giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to the person up on the screen. If you watched last week's video, then you have the chance to enter. So if you will let me know your email address in the Blues app, send me a message in the Blues app, I will send you your $100 Amazon gift card. Thank you so much to everyone who has joined me on Blues. We will have more giveaways coming this week, so just stay tuned. We do have some extra care buck deals this week on the beauty gift sets, LA Colors, Physicians Formula, and Wet n Wild. I am not going to do these deals today. I'm actually going to hold on them until Black Friday, so stay tuned for that Black Friday video. I'm going to be doing the Eucerin deal again. In the second transaction, I'm going to pick up one of these hydrating foam cleansers right here. So I'm going to be using that $3.50 coupon again. These are $11.99, and I also have a $2 CRT. I'm also going to grab one of these Eucerin baby wash and shampoo. These are $9.99. So these two total up to $21.98. I'm going to be using $7 in manufacturer coupons and a $2 CVS coupon. That is going to bring me down to pay $12.98. Then I'll get back a $10 extra buck, making both of these babies just $1.50. But we will have beauty tracking on this hydrating foam cleanser, which will make this deal just a little bit cheaper. I am also going to do the Hallmark deal again on this card, but this card is going to be even trickier than the first one because I have 2 of the 3 off of 6 Hallmark CRTs on this card. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these baby cards. These are 4 for $7. We're going to be using 2 of those CRTs, and then I'm going to have to pick up 2 more items to get me up to 6. So I'm going to grab 2 more bows as well. All right, you guys. So all 6 of these products, 2 of the bows and then 4 of the mini cards total up to $9.58. We're going to use our $6 in CRTs to bring us down to $3.58 at the register. Then we'll get back 3 for the cards, making this only 58 cents for all 6 items. I'm picking these up mainly because I need a filler item because I am going to be using a 10 off of 70 in this transaction. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and do a pretty similar transaction as my first transaction. We're gonna grab our spend 30 deal, the Tresemme again, the Eucerin again, and then the Hallmark again. I have about $28 in extra bucks loaded to my card. I have only 5 paper coupons once again, so let's go up and check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so this is my complete CVS haul for today. I think we did pretty doggone good for this to be a slower holiday week, but let me show you a close-up of my receipt for my second transaction. So there is the Tresemme, there is the Scott, there's the Tide Pods, there is our 4 cards, there's the Eucerin, and then there is our 2 bows. So here's all of the paper coupons that we used. Hold on. There we go. So there's all the paper coupons that we used. I used the 2 $3 off of 2 Tide coupons again. Now in this transaction, I only had 1 of my coupons double dip. Y'all know Tide Digitals can be a little bit funny, so I wasn't surprised by that. So I only got $8 off in that transaction. So that would have been the equivalent of if I had have used the 4 $2 off paper coupons for this transaction, or the 4 $2 off coupons for the Tide. So we only got $8 off there instead of 10, but the Tresemme did double dip, and then we got the 10 off of 70 in our other CRTs. I used a total of $28 in extra bucks plus $2.31 out of pocket on a Falooz gift card. Then I got back a total of $25 in extra bucks today, and I will have another $2 tracking for that Epic Beauty because of the Eucerin that we picked up and the Tresemme. So that makes our second transaction come out to a final cost of just $3 for that deal, which I will take because we got Tide and paper products once again. So that made our final tally for both of those deals only $3 out of pocket for all of these goodies. Not factoring in the coffee, of course, because you may or may not find that deal in your store because it is a special. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, along with checking down below for written breakdowns of all of today's deals. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned because we will be back at CVS this week for our Black Friday deal, so stay tuned for that. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon.